Hello to all. My name is Samiksha Godolkar. I am assistant professor in SND College of Engineering, Yeola. In last video lecture, we see the function generator concept, and function generator generates a different waveforms. In last video lecture, we see the how function generator generates a triangular wave. In today's video lecture, we see the block diagram of function generator. The block diagram of function generator consists of frequency control network. The output of frequency control network is given to the constant current supply source 1 and the second is constant current supply source 2. The constant current supply source 1 and 2 is given to the output to the integrator. The output of integrator is given to the voltage comparator multivibrator. The output of voltage comparator is given to the output amplifier. The output of output amplifier is we get the square wave output. In second, we get the triangular wave output. In third, constant current source supply to having a resistance diode shaping circuit. The output is given to the output amplifier 2 and we get a sine wave at the output of amplifier. This is the block diagram of function generator. Now we see the square wave generator. In square wave generator, the 741 op-amp IC consists of second terminal is inverting and third terminal is non-inverting. In second terminal is inverting, having a input capacitor is given to the inverting terminal, and third is non-inverting, the resistor input is given to the non-inverting terminal. The second terminal is output is given to the IC741 IC. The resistance R is the feedback resistance and the output of op-amp is at pin number 6. We see this square wave generator. First, the inverting terminal pin number 2 is at 0 potential and the input to the non-inverting terminal 3 at some potential V1. We see in this slide. This occurs due to the power supply of the operational amplifier. The potential difference between the two input terminals is Vi is equal to V1 minus 0 is equal to V1. This positive voltage drives the output of the operational amplifier into positive saturation voltage plus Vsat. When the plus Vsat is fed back to the inverting terminal 2 through the resistor R, the capacitor C gets charged and the potential of the right side plate of the capacitor gradually rise. The V2 value rises. When V2 becomes slightly more than V1, the input becomes negative and immediately this negative voltage drives the output of the operational amplifier into the negative saturation voltage, that is minus Vsat. This all concept we see in this multivibrator. The output of square wave generator is a square wave as shown in a slide. First is amplitude. Now the capacitor discharges gradually when V2 becomes less than V1 and V1 minus V2 becomes positive and the output drives to positive Vsat. The same process is repeated and the output of the operational amplifier swing between two saturation voltages, that is between plus Vsat and minus Vsat. The output EO of the operational amplifier is square wave. Sine wave generator. As shown in a slide is a sine wave generator. The sine wave can be generated from a triangular wave using resistor diode shaping network. Procedure. While the diodes are reverse biased, neither shunt branch conducts and VO is equal to V, that is the output voltage follows the ramp. Suppose V1 is less than V2 is 0.5 volt, then when the input voltage reaches 0.5 volt, D1 begins to conduct. The output voltage is given by V0 is equal to 0.5 plus V minus 0.5 in second bracket R1 divided by 1 plus R1, and setting V0 is equal to 0.866 when V1 is equal to 1 requires R1 is equal to 2.73 watt. Similarly set V0 is equal to 1 volt when V is equal to 1.5 volt with V2 is equal to 0.866 volt. That D1 is conducting in this interval. R2 is equal to 0.42 watt. As shown in a slide, this is the graph of sine wave generator. This is graph of sine wave generator where the V sine, V in and V out is shown in a slide. In this way, in this video lecture, we see the square wave generator and a sine wave generator, the main functions of a function generator. Thank you.